Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Snapchat on mobile. To use Snapchat on mobile, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you have to open up your app store and type in Snapchat on the search bar and then click on the open button once you're done installing it. So after completely installing the application, in my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and log out. So once I'm logged out, you could find the sign up interface at the bottom. Click that out. Make sure to type in your first name and the last name and give your date of birth. Click on the continue button. If you're sure about your username, you could go ahead and type in your username and click on the continue button. And then you want to go ahead and set a password and you will be taken to the next field where you could see your email address. So once you type in your email address, you could also receive a verification code stating that whether you'd like to continue with this email to register for Snapchat. If sure about that, you go ahead and click that out. And with that being said, you'll have successfully created your account. And now I'm just going to go ahead and log into my existing account. And this is how the interface is going to look. You could go ahead and create your profile or a Bitmoji icon. And that's how you could use Snapchat. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.